Hey everybody, what you're looking at right here is what I believe is a game changer for teaching students and adults and any kind of educator involved in robotics, STEM, or engineering, the next level in programming. What you're looking at is Pitzko's TETRIX PRIZM. Now, the case itself that you would receive when it finally goes live and gets to the public is going to be a clear case, and it looks absolutely beautiful. So make sure you check the links provided in the show notes and on the blog post. But what this is a new programmable device that's going to be the brain of the TETRIX Max kit provided by Prism and Pitzko Robotics. What's so great about this that I think is truly the game-changing device is a couple things. First and foremost, it works with Arduino software. That's the coding mechanism. And if you've used Arduino before, you know it's a C-based programming language. The resources and the amount of information available to program Arduino is so vast across the internet that there's not anything that you can't learn that you want to. And all you got to do is just install the Prism library, and you can be up and running in no time at all. The second thing that's huge with this is that it's plug and play. And you can see here, like I said, the clear case is so much nicer, and you'll see that when you get it. Everything plugs right in. It's a plug and play approach. You don't need to solder. You don't need to have any sort of tools in order to get motors, gears, sensors, any of that stuff going up and running. Because it is Arduino based, it's open source. So all your growth sensors work, any kind of open source sensors work with Arduino, and you can get tons of resources online with that. The beauty that I see with this is that the learning curve is quick and easy. You can quickly get up and running with a program that does nothing more but turn on a light on the Prism, to getting a robot to move around, to creating a sensor board, to getting temperature, humidity, taking pictures, you name it. Whatever the coding mechanism is, you're ready to go. And so this is just a simple program with the LED light turning on red. I'm going to be showcasing a variety of different projects and things that you can do with Prism in future episodes. But for now, I just want to introduce the Prism. What I have going on here is just a simple bot created with the TETRIX Max kit. It gets things moving up and running. But you don't even need the robot on wheels to get moving. Simply the Prism connected with a sensor can be all that you need to get rocking and rolling. What you see here on the kit, and there's plenty of instruction online, I'll make sure to share a link. What you've got is you've got 4 digital sensor ports. You've got 6 standard control server ports. You've got 1 motor control expansion port, the USB port. You've got 2 DC motor control ports, 3 continuous rotation server ports, start and stop buttons, 2 quadrature encoder input ports, 3 analog sensor ports, and 1 I2C port as well. There's so many things at your disposal. The sky truly is the limit, and you don't need to be a mad scientist in order to figure it out. However, if you are a mad scientist, there's plenty of here for you to do. So, be ready. I can't wait to dive into this. We've got plans. The BMS theory group is ready to move this thing on the robots, get things moving, and to showcase the power of Prism. I can't wait to see it in the hands of students and teachers across the world. And when it finally gets shipped out in October, I can't wait for the buzz to generate. So if you have questions or things that you want to see done with the Prism, reach out to me and we'll do our best to make it happen. In upcoming episodes, we're going to showcase some of the projects that come with the manual, and we also are going to be showcasing some of the projects we're going to be doing on our own. This is the TETRIX Prism. It's awesome. It's loaded with awesome sauce. So let's go ahead and get started and get building, programming, and just doing amazing robotic stuff. Let's roll.